Aquarius, hi, welcome to your reading. This reading is for the month of March. Yes, I did say we'll do weekly readings, but I thought we should be doing March overall reading and then step into weekly readings. Alright. So, Aquarius, this is March 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. This is for you. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Just remember, not every message is meant for everyone, like I always say. Alright, Aquarius, let's see what's going on. Alright. The first card out, you have Serendipity. This is the Jupiterian energy here of Wheel of Fortune. Getting lucky in something. Then you have, I just got stuck with this card for some reason. Alright, then you have Thinker, and then you have To Be Fair. I do get the sense of you wanting to make something right, or at least you're thinking about it. You're thinking of making something right. There is some sense of realization here. You may have realized something. Could be that somebody wronged you or you wronged someone, but there is some sense of I think I don't have to be them, I just have to be me. Getting out of some confusion. If you are in some state of confusion or in some state of decision making, you are being asked to be fair, make a fair decision, an unbiased decision. I guess that's it. Alright, Aquarius. At some crossroads for sure, where you are needing a lot of patience. Alright. Okay, let's take this. Underneath you have Page of Pentacles and Tower. There is some sort of shake-up that happened in your life, an aha moment where you thought that, where you actually had to go within or learn something new. You had to discover, you most probably discovered something when it was brought suddenly into your life or when it was taken suddenly out of your life. In the recent past, you have the Empress, Page of Swords, and the Five of Swords. You could have received some communication from somebody that actually put you in your mind space a little, which doesn't seem to be pleasant, at least so far. The communication could have been a little immature, I would say. it could have been better. Or you may have, for some of you, I do sense that you may have heard some sort of gossip that's going on around you, about you, that's actually making you overthink. In the current situation, you have the Three of Wands, Nine of Wands, and Temperance. I do sense some sort of, if you are waiting for a message, from someone, and I think it's been long that you've been waiting to hear from somebody, or you've been waiting for somebody. Could be a Sagittarius, Taurus, Libra. But somewhere I do get the sense that you are now tired of waiting. Also, you have set some boundaries around you that maybe not allowing the person or anybody who wants to come in. I don't think you are allowing any sort of negative energy in your life currently. You may be waiting for the things to get better in your life. In the immediate future, you have the Six of Wands, the Hanged Man, and Death. Some transformation that most probably is going to get you out of this stuckness. The card just flipped like that. So yes, I do get the sense that you may be most probably out of this energy of being stuck. You have to overcome this, and both these cards are like overcoming a situation, overcoming, ending of something, and this is achieving, being victorious, and while this is ending. I do get the sense that you will overcome the situation of Hanged Man, of getting stuck. I don't know if you are actually waiting for somebody to come back. While I don't get that sense in this reading so much, while some of you may be waiting for somebody, but for most of you, I think that you all are trying to be fair with yourself and the other. You are understanding why things happened the way it did, and you, as if you do realize that it's for the good and it's time to move on. There's a lot of patience that is being asked of you, a lot of patience to actually overcome whatever I'm sorry. If I do sense that this ending, if this was an ending for you, I do sense this was brought to you by the universe, and it's teaching you to have a lot of patience. Just be mindful that you are not getting stuck in this energy. I don't think you are getting stuck. Just make sure you are moving forward with life instead of overthinking things. I am actually feeling a little bit of in my head kind of energy. Like my head is a little heavy, so I'm Guessing y'all are still caught up in your head and it may be getting tiring now. It's time to release and balance energies. If you feel any stuckness, if you feel that you are stuck with some sort of energy, okay, I've read this, I don't know how far this is true, but try to move 27 objects in your house to keep the energy flowing. That's like a feng shui tip. So if you feel the energy is stuck within you or in your house, move 27 things in your house to keep the energy balanced and moving. That will help you get out of this position. Cleanse the energies around you, cleanse your room. If it's a room, if it's your house, cleanse the house. There is some sort of heaviness that I do get here, Aquarius. While I know you have the power to get out of it, I don't think you do recognize that power that you have within. Just know to balance things out and not get too much into this thinker energy here. Alright. If you look at this card, you see how gray it is, as if fogged in. The feeling of fogged in, too much thought, too many thoughts. The power is within you to release it and recognize your power. All right, Aquarius, do I need to clarify anything here? I don't think, Aquarius, you are waiting, or there is a person here you are waiting for. I don't get that sense. There could be somebody who put you in your head a little too much maybe. You may be waiting with the 3 of Wands here and the 9 of Wands, but the waiting is getting heavy, if in case you are waiting. Let's see. Clarify the 3 of Wands here, please. The current energies for the Aquarius. Clarify the 3 of Wands, please. Alright, for the 3 of Wands, you get the 7 of Wands, the Hermit, and the Justice. I do get the sense a strong Libra is present here in this reading. So you may be dealing with a Libra. Yeah, I don't get this to be a waiting energy though. It's as if you are allowing the water to settle, settling the waters so that you can move forward in your life. I do get the sense of you are trying to release something. You are trying to heal yourself from something. Which is good, which is great. I think that's the learning we have from this reading. We have to be responsible and taking care of ourselves. First, always it has to be self-love, and then we have to give to others. If we don't give it to ourselves, we won't be able to give it to others ever, no matter how much we say that we are overgiving, because it's coming from our neediness or our attachment to them. If we love ourselves fully, we can love unattached. And I guess this reading is the best example for that. I don't think there is an attachment energy here. I think you are just allowing the balance to happen. And you are just being all on your own, which is awesome. All right, Aquarius, that's the reading for the month of March. 2021. I hope this resonated for whoever needed this message. I'll come back with your reading. I guess it's this weekend that I'll be posting weekly readings for the month of March, the first week, 1st to 7th of March. Alright, Aquarius, until then, see you soon. Bye bye.